Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome to this quick tutorial on fixing the Nike error code 98D2586B, which has been a common headache for users in 2025. If you're trying to log in, make a purchase, or access your Nike account and keep seeing this error, don't worry. It's often related to network issues, app glitches, or temporary server problems. In this video, I'll guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that can get you back on track in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and fast enough for online activities. If you're on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Sometimes, a simple restart of your device can work wonders. Turn off your phone, tablet, or computer, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This clears minor temporary glitches. Next, if you're using the Nike app, head to your device's settings and clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Nike, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS, offload the app and reinstall it. This removes corrupted data that's causing the error. Don't forget to update the app while you're at it. Open your App Store, search for Nike, and hit Update if a new version is available. Outdated apps are a frequent culprit for errors like 98D2586B. If that doesn't do the trick, try accessing Nike through a different browser or device. For example, if you're on Chrome, switch to Firefox or Edge. Clear your browser's cookies and cache as well to eliminate any stored conflicts. Still stuck? It might be a server-side issue, so contact Nike support. Go to the Nike website, log in if you can, and use the help section to submit a ticket. Provide details like your error code and what you've tried already. There you have it. Easy steps to banish that pesky error. Remember, technology can be finicky, but with these tips, you'll be shopping for sneakers in no time. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more fixes, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.